11th activity: variable resistors according to how they are activated. You can actually activate your variable resistors using thermal application and through light exposure. Connect a lamp in series with an NTC resistor using a 6-volt power source. When the circuit was completed, you noticed that the lamp did not light because the NTC resistor provided a very high resistance. Heat the NTC resistor with a match flame. Apply the heat gently and make sure that the solder on the NTC resistor does not melt. When heat was applied, the resistance of NTC became lower, thus allowing the lamp to light. Your lamp lights more brightly when the NTC resistor reaches a higher temperature. An NTC resistor is one whose value depends on temperature and is called a negative temperature coefficient resistor or a thermistor. The hotter the resistor, the lower its resistance, hence, the more current flows, making the lamp glow brighter. How different do you think will a light-dependent resistor activate an apparatus? Prepare 2 setups, one for the LDR, a battery pack, a 6-volt DC source, 3 connecting wires, a light-dependent resistor or LDR, and a miniature fan, and the other for the light source, a power supply, 2 connecting wires, and a lamp. Assemble your LDR setup. Wire a circuit with a 6-volt DC source and a load consisting of an LDR in series with a switch and a miniature fan. Just like in the previous activity when the setup was completed, the motor did not run because of the high resistance of LDR. Set this aside while we prepare the light source setup. Connect the lamp to the power source using 2 connecting wires to terminals 1 and 2. Using the 2 setups, hold the lighted lamp over LDR. When the light source is placed near the LDR, its resistance became lower, thus allowing the motor to run. Watch the miniature fan. The blades start whirling once the LDR gets enough light from the lamp. The rotation of the blades gets faster as the lamp comes nearer to the LDR. As the lamp goes nearer to the resistor receives more light. The more light the resistor receives, the lesser is the resistance. The lesser the resistance, the more current passes through, which allows the blades of the fan to spin faster. In short, the resistance of the LDR is inversely proportional to the intensity of the light it receives. The LDR, or light-dependent resistor, is a special resistor whose ohmic value decreases when the brightness of light falling on it increases.